For years, we recklessly used the Earth's natural resources. We littered her. It's time to make changes. Every action, even the smallest one, makes sense. The Floslek offer is packaging with replaceable refills that makes our planet less burdened. And your wallet. We know perfectly well how valuable water is to Earth. Thanks to our own treatment plant, we don't have to store the water, but we can use it many times. Purification systems allow the reintroduction of water into the environment in pure form. We undertake a number of pro-eco initiatives in our company because we believe that we all have influence on what is happening. Take care of the Earth with us. This is the only home we have.